very much. You got the early crowd going on here. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate that. Is everybody doing okay? Is everybody getting ready for TR3? Their sound check sounded pretty sick, so it's going to be a great show. It's called Think About It. Skeletons make broke bones when the stones are gathered at Fairfield. Silence because the road leads me to me to pass the stone, but I'll let you know that all I do is moan alone as I go on without you in my life. Girl, there's homes on mine, I think about you all the time. Sing the course and live on, think about, think about. Girl, there's homes on mine, I think about you all the time. Sing the course and live on, think about, think about you, baby. Daybreak, now my eyes awake, now my dreams, more screams for sanity they take. Smiles fade, the wish I see this golden edge, cannot make it go away. But all I do is moan alone as I go on without you in my life. There's homes on mine, I think about you all the time. Singing that course and live on, think about, think about. There's homes on mine, I think about you all the time. Singing that course and live on, think about, think about, baby. Your song still echoes in my head. When you were here, you always said, just come a melody, you'll be so close to me. I think about you, I think about you, I think about you.